picking up the ambulance from the wrap shop. Oh my gosh. So stand by for the video. Oh, it looks amazing. The shop that did this wrap on the ambulance is in Glens Falls, New York. It's called, I'll show you the sign. Oh, my little dog is not happy. He's left in our pickup truck. It is called H&C Graphic Shop. They'll be putting our logos on next. They did an amazing job. We're going to cover the inside red areas. Light bars off so it no longer looks like an ambulance. So the interior work will begin, but we're super happy. And if you guys need wraps or logos or anything like that, banners, lettering, signs, and more, contact H&C. And I will put a link below for their shop information. So, wow, wow, wow. That's all I gotta say. Marianne, RockingRvAdventures. This is Chris, the owner of H&C Graphic Shop, and he's gonna tell you about his experience doing the wrap. Take it away, Chris.
All right, guys. So, ambulance came in, dirty, dingy, looking a little rough. Definitely still had that ambulance vibe. So what we did was we have it all decked out now in a gloss desert sand. Kind of looks like a military desert vehicle now, giving off a little bit better of a vibe than an ambulance in an RV park. So we got some gloss, we got some satin black on accessories, and complete transformation.
Great. Tell them what other kind of stuff you do.
So here we do vehicle wraps, we do custom vehicle graphics. We offer a full range of products from banners to stickers, slab stickers, perforated window graphics. We do commercial and residential work, and pretty much anything that you can print and stick, we do it.
How about a phone number?
Phone number is area code 518-636-7551.
And I'll put a link below to Chris's shop. So thank you so much, Chris. We love it. Thank you so much. Here's the before of the ambulance, and here's the after. It's got our Ford logo on the front. As always, make it a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe, and help us grow our YouTube channel. God bless, and stand by for more upcoming videos on the transformation of the ambulance. And as always, see you soon. God bless.